Bloomfield is building its award-winning lineup of homes right here in the community of Terracina in Rockwall, Texas. This is a great location just south of I-30, near the intersection of Rochell Road and Texas Highway 276. You're just minutes from downtown, near highways I-20 and 635, as well as the George Bush Tollway. You could choose from our Signature Series floor plans with dozens of designs from 2,000 to over 4,300 square feet, including our model homes, the Springcrest 2 and the Primrose 6. These are multi-generational designs with optional game rooms, media rooms, and outdoor living. There's something for everyone. And there's a wide variety of home sites that will give you the opportunity to have a 2.5 or even 3-car garage, and gas utilities will be available.
Bloomfield Homes is one of the largest and most trusted home builders in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. No builder includes more luxury standard features at the base price than Bloomfield Homes.
Right out your front door, Terracina offers amenities like a park, a pavilion, playground, and open space. There's a historic downtown with shopping and dining, and then there's the harbor on Lake Ray Hubbard with year-round activities both on and off the lake. You can take advantage of one of the nearby golf courses or Rossini vineyards. And with Dallas so close, you'll have access to the Arboretum and Botanical Gardens, or catch a Mavericks game in American Airlines Arena, or visit the Dallas Zoo and Dallas Aquarium. Students at Terracina will attend schools in the Rockwall ISD, one of the most recognized districts in all of DFW for both academics and athletic achievements.
Come visit any of our model homes and see why Bloomfield was named Builder of the Year.